Hello. Ito naman po yung third property po na ipapakita ko sa inyo. This one is on a car. Townhomes. 47 square meter. Yung floor area niya around 139. So, ito po yung entrance niya. One car garage. Ulit. Ayan. Ayan. Sige po. Salamat po. And this is only one car garage. Then, pasok na po tayo sa ground floor. Actually, maganda yung tiles nila po na ginagamit. That's 16 by 16 homogeneous na tiles. Ayan. This is just a model unit. Pero yung mga fixtures po kasama, hindi lang po yung mga like itong mga cabinets po. This is a model unit. So, ayan po. Sa ground floor po natin, nandito na po yung kitchen. Yung ano, ito po, kasama na po yan. Yung sa ano ng kitchen. Ayan po. Then we have a CR sa ground floor. Ayan po. And then we have a service area. Ayan. So madilim lang po. Ayan. So this will be the ground floor po. And then ngayon po, ayan yung po yung tiles niya. Maganda po. And then we're going now sa second floor. We're going up. And now we're here at second floor, where you can find the master bedroom and the second bedroom. This one is the second bedroom. And you can also see yung tiles po niya, wooden laminated. Maganda siya yung ano niya. Then we have false balcony. And yung second bedroom natin, the closet pala ito, kasama to sa closet na. And then second ano natin, mayroon din siyang sariling CR na rin. Yan. Yan po. Then, ngayon, ito naman po yung master bedroom. Ayan. And of course, we have the toilet and bath ng master bedroom. So now, we're going to third floor na. We're now going up. And on the third floor, dito po natin makikita the third bedroom. So sa second floor, master in the second bedroom. Then the third floor, of course, the third floor na third bedroom located. Ayan. Upod na kasama na rin po yan yung ano natin, closet. Ayan. course, we have the common CR ng third floor. That's the common CR ng third floor. And then we have a maid's room or convertible to storage area na rin siguro. May kasama na rin tong closet. That's the closet. Ayan. So, ngayon, we're now on third floor na mayroon tayong false balcony. Tawag nila this. It's a very useful na rin. This is a very useful space actually. Sabi ko nga, you can convert this into a gym or an exercise Yan, or storage. Yan. Then we have a water tank. That's the Nakar townhomes located in San Andres, Bukid, Nakar.